just came to Dallas Fort Worth International Airport to pick up my parents, and they're not even here. We found them. Happy 4th of July. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Are we going to get you Nana Pop?
Yes, airplane.
Airplane. So, we just came to Dallas Fort Worth International Airport to pick up my parents, and they're not even here. They flew into the left field airport, but they thought that they were flying here. So now we are leaving this airport and going to the other one. Oh my gosh, I swear every trip with my family is full of some kind of surprise. Like, it never goes smoothly. But they are here in Texas. Now we just have to go find them and get them and take them back to Tyler. Do you have a cake pop?
Yeah.
Are you eating it?
I'm not eating it.
Yeah, I don't think so. He had to have a cake pop and he's not even eating it. What?
I'll take off of it.
If you're not gonna eat it, then give it to me, man.
You want Daddy to eat it?
I'm starving, dude.
You want Daddy to have it? Okay. Here you go, Dad. He doesn't want it.
What? You just put a little, he ate all the white things off the top.
Oh my gosh! What a stinker! You're so silly.
Hey, there are teeth marks on
I know.
it.
No!
You are. Anyway, guys, we will update you as soon as we have my parents. We found them. I love you. I told Tom this is why old people shouldn't be in charge of buying plane tickets.
But you know what? We fly out of Dallas Fort Worth.
That's so funny. Yeah, I'm in Alaska baggage claim and I'm looking around, I'm like, I see no one that looks like you guys. I'm like, what? Where in the world? Where are you? We're here. Wow, you guys look all snazzy in your vacay wear. Hey. Hey. All right, Dad, you can sit in front. Parker wants me to sit by him, so. Nick, come in here, buddy. Nick is here. It's your Nana Pop. Hi. Oh my goodness.
All right.
Good morning. This little guy is so excited to use the new pool I just bought the kids.
Mommy.
What? It's okay. It has to continue filling up. Leave the water in there. It's okay. Get in.
Do it.
No, it has to stay.
Mommy,
You want me to help you in? Yeah? Okay. Let's get in. Oh, big boy. Woo! Are you in the water? Yeah?
Turn off.
No, that has to stay on.
Mommy, turn it off.
Why?
Turn it off.
But you won't have enough water if I turn it off.
Turn it off.
Do you want the water to come up to here? Okay, then we gotta leave it on. Oh, that looks fun. What? Is it little? Yeah.
What's we doing?
Here, do you want to put one of your balls in? You want to put your ball in?
Yeah.
Woo! Here's another ball. Woo!
A blue one.
Oh, a blue one? All right, let's see if we have a blue one. Here's a blue one.
A more red.
Here's another red.
A more blue.
Another blue. Another blue down here. That's it.
Cups.
Oh, you want the cups too? All right, there's your cups.
Wow.
How fun. Such a cool donut pool. Caitlin really wanted a pool and she wanted a really big one, but we have so much other things going on out here and so much going on in the house. I didn't feel like spending the money on one of those and having to spend the money on that water bill. So this is gonna have to do. And then on days where we really want to swim, we'll just go to the pool or the lake. Huh, buddy? Oh, are you gonna relax? Oh my goodness. Cool, man. Anyway, good morning, guys. I hope your day is starting off great. Happy 4th of July. Oh my gosh. Let me see this cute little meow shirt you got on. What does it say? Meowica. Oh, that is so cute. How are you?
Good.
You're lice free today, aren't you?
Yeah.
Sweet! So excited. Look at you! Happy 4th of July. I like your shirt. Yeah, I feel like I've seen it before.
What are you doing? I'm
No?
hungry.
Well, we're making food right now. Hello, Lil May. Happy un-4th of July to you. Just kidding. I'm so mean to my dog. But I kind of love her, so it's okay. We are having like off and on good weather. It's sprinkled off and on a couple times. Sun comes out and goes away. But let's talk about Parkland and Me Boutique cute 4th of July tops. Yes, they're still 20% off right now. So you should head over and grab yourself one, because you could wear this anytime or just save it for next 4th of July.
Hey, can you talk to me?
I just went to the grocery store. I'm getting all the stuff out for kebabs. We're gonna have dip and chips, making strawberry cream for strawberries. And yeah. And yeah, you know, all the good fixings. Mom's been making desserts all day. We're gonna make homemade ice cream. Oh, we need to get that out of the attic. We need to get the ice cream maker. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun 4th of July. And then later we are going to shoot off some fireworks. So stay tuned, guys. We have kebabs done, we have fruit, we have chips, we have dip. Look at this spread. Oh my goodness. We also have super yummy desserts. My mom makes homemade eclairs and they are in here all ready to go. Look at those. I'm sure everyone's gonna love those. And she made German chocolate cake for Dad's birthday, which is right there. And we're making homemade ice cream right now, which is the freaking bomb.
Is this you from that one table hat?
Yeah. So that is what is inside here right now. Just spinning away. I love my ice cream maker. It's the coolest. Anyway, I think we're gonna get ready to eat now, but we don't have too much crazy food going on. Just really we don't have any veggies because all of the veggies is right there. Oh my gosh. We made these a couple weeks ago and they were super, super good. So we figured this would be a good 4th of July meal. And must have pickles. Pickles are the best. I'm watching, girls.
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
I just blocked that out.
It didn't do anything? Oh. And then the big boys are over there.
This way.
They're gonna blow something up.
It's like all the confetti's broken up and it's supposed to do that.
Yeah?
See, look at it. Here, I'll make it work.
Alright.
Yay! Whoa, I can still hear it though. Mommy, I can still hear it.
Yeah?
Whoa! Yeah.
You don't want to hear it at all?
Huh?
You don't want to hear it at all?
No, I do want to hear it.
Oh.
Look at Amy's face.
Avery. Avery, what's all over your face?
Oh my gosh. She's like, I don't know. What were you eating? You don't know.
This thing's dessert.
Jane.
Oh. 7 years ago, Rhena. 7 years ago. Uh-huh.
too. Well, happy 4th of July, everybody. Hope you guys had a good day. Hope you got to see some cool fireworks. I know we definitely did. Rhena's brother, Rye, he went pretty crazy on the fireworks purchase this year. Yeah, he spent quite a lot of money, but there's some pretty good ones. Some real cool stuff that you know, a lot of times you see it at actually a big show, but this is, you know, right in our backyard just about. So it was good, it was fun. All the kids enjoyed it. I mean, well, most of the kids enjoyed it. Parker doesn't like the fireworks, so he just stayed inside. And then Avery was having a rough night too, and I think she ended up just passing out. Everyone else was having fun. You know, even Poppy, he was throwing his little firecrackers and letting them go off and everything like that. Everyone all throughout the neighborhood was blowing stuff up too, so actually they're still doing it and it's almost midnight. Tomorrow it's gonna be cleanup, but not this guy because I have to work, which kind of sucks, but they're gonna have to clean up all the debris, you know, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys had a good day. I know we definitely did, so please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hey, please check out Rhena's online store, Parkland and Me Boutique. Yeah, obviously I'm a dude, but she's got some good stuff on there for you guys. So check it out, you know, let your girlfriends, wives, you know, whatever know, and help support her with that and everything. So with that, we'll see you guys in the morning. Good night, everyone.